Hello everyone. In our previous session, we have discussed about the simple BIP report in Fusion instance with parameters. Now we will see the master details BIP report. Here is the agenda of this session. We will discuss what is master detail report, how to create two groups within a data model, and we will join between these two groups. Let's jump into the Fusion instance. I have already logged in into the Fusion instance. This is the home page of the instance. We have to go to Report Analytics under Tools section. Click on Browse Catalog, which will open a new window for you. Here we will create a new folder for our demo. Just enter some name of this folder, Demo Master Detail, and click on OK. Now we will create data model here. Just click on the drop down in the new section and select data model. We will write a SQL query to fetch the data of our master details report. Here I am going to give example of the supplier and supplier side. Supplier will be the master and detail will be the supplier side. Now write a query, SQL query to fetch the data from the supplier table. Select data source as FSA. User supplier is the supplier table. I'm going to take reference from HZ parties table also, which will fetch the supplier name. We'll write join here in the where condition, supplier party ID and the HZ party ID. Now select some column from supplier table, select vendor ID. Vendor ID will be the join between two data sets. Select vendor type, lookup code, select vendor name. Party name is the vendor name here. Now we will select one parameter which will help us to get this report properly. Here I will use party name as parameter, :p vendor name, and click on OK. Select this p vendor name as parameter. Parameter will be created here. We will create one LOV also so that we can select the supplier name from the list of values. Give some name of this LOV, xxdemo supplier LOV. We will write one query to fetch the supplier name. We will use user suppliers and AZ parties table to fetch the supplier name in the LOV. The query is ready for this LOV. Now we will attach this LOV in the parameter. Select parameter type as menu and select that LOV that we have created in the list of values section. Again, go back to the data set. We will create one more SQL query to fetch the data from supplier side table. Here, data source as FSA. Supplier side table is POZ supplier underscore sites underscore all underscore M. Again, select vendor ID here. Earlier I told you vendor ID will be the join between these two groups. We'll select some column here, vendor site code and alternate vendor site code. We can select one more column also, like email address, and Click on OK. Now we will create a join between these two groups. We will drag the vendor ID under G1 group and will drop it under vendor ID and G2 group. Simply. So this join is really very easy to create master details report in Fusion. Now go to the data section. We can save the data model here. Click on data model. We will save the data model in our folder. Give some name, demo supplier DM. Click on OK. Data model will be saved here. Parameter has appeared here. We will select the supplier name. From LOV, we will select Dell INC. Select 200 rows and click on View. So this is the data. We'll change some properties here. Just uncheck the include parameter tags and select the option include empty tags for null element. Go to the data set again, click on view to get the data and click on save as sample data. As we know, without saving the sample data in the data model, BIP will not allow you to create a report. Click on create report button. This will take you to the wizard where we can create our BIP report. Select use report editor, click on finish. Save this report, give some name of this report, demo supplier master detail report. Click on OK. Report has created. Now I'm going to upload the RTF template in this report. I have already created one RTF template here. So this is the report. I am not going to explain about the process of the creation of the RTF template. Just I will show you the groups here. This is the G1 group which is selected at the first of the template, and I have ended this group at the end of this template. Within this G1 group, selected G2 group here and ended it here. Now I'll upload this template in the report. Just click on upload. Give some name, demo supplier layout. Just browse that file. Select template type as RTF template, locally will be English, and click on upload. Now I'm going to change some properties here. Just unselect this auto run option, click on OK. I want to see the output of this report in PDF format, so I'm going to change the default output format in the view list section. Select PDF as default format. Again, go back to view thumbnail, save the report again. Now run this report. Select the parameter Dell INC, click on apply. Report will appear here. See, this is the supplier section and this is the supplier site section. As we have created join between the two data sets, so that's why the report has appeared like this. We can export this report also. Just click on export and PDF. Report will be saved in your system. So master detail reports will give you the provision to create a different complex report in Fusion instance. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you and bye-bye.